Have you ever pondered what lies beyond the ticking clock? What secrets does the future hold? Time. It's a concept so integral to our lives, yet so elusive. It's an invisible thread that weaves our experiences together, shaping our past, defining our present, and foreshadowing our future. Its essence seeps into every aspect of our existence, from the rhythm of our heartbeats to the changing seasons. Yet, despite its omnipresence, time remains an enigma, a mystery that has puzzled philosophers, scientists, and thinkers alike for centuries. The concept of time is relative. It's a notion that's been explored in depth by the likes of Albert Einstein, who proposed that time isn't a constant universal phenomenon. Instead, it's flexible, bending and twisting in response to the forces of gravity and speed. This means the passage of time can vary depending on where you are and how fast you're moving. So, while your clock may be ticking away at a steady pace, the universe's clock operates on a completely different scale. This relativity of time gives rise to a fascinating question. What does the future hold? It's a question that has tugged at the heart of humanity since the dawn of civilization. Our ancestors looked up at the stars and wondered what lay beyond their reach. Today, we continue this tradition, peering into the cosmos with our telescopes, seeking answers to our most pressing questions. The future is an uncharted territory, an expanse of unknown that extends to the very end of time itself. It's a concept that's both terrifying and exciting, offering endless possibilities and uncertainties. It's a journey that we've all embarked upon, whether we realize it or not. It's a journey that transcends the boundaries of our physical world, taking us beyond the confines of our planet, beyond our galaxy, and into the depths of the universe. So brace yourself as we embark on an extraordinary journey, a voyage to the very end of time. Imagine, if you will, a journey into the not-so-distant future. As we venture forward, the next few centuries promise to be a time of unparalleled innovation and discovery. The face of technology, as we know it, is poised to change dramatically. We can expect to see quantum computers that can solve complex problems in mere seconds, problems that would take current supercomputers thousands of years to crack. Artificial intelligence is forecasted to reach unprecedented levels, blurring the line between human and machine. This will not only revolutionize how we interact with technology, but also redefine our understanding of consciousness itself. Further, our exploration of the cosmos is set to take a leap beyond the bounds of our current imagination. Space travel will become more commonplace, with humans colonizing neighboring planets. Mars, our red neighbor, is likely to be the first stop in this interplanetary migration. This will fundamentally alter our perception of home, as Earth will no longer be the sole residence of humanity. Closer to home, Earth itself will undergo significant changes. Climate change will continue to reshape our planet's landscape, forcing us to adapt in ways we never thought possible. The cities of the future will be constructed with sustainability at their core, powered by renewable energy and designed to withstand the harshest of weather conditions. But how does all this affect our understanding of time? The concept of time as we know it is deeply intertwined with our experiences. As our experiences evolve, so too will our perception of time. The rapid pace of technological advancements and the prospect of life on other planets will make our current concept of time seem outdated, almost primitive. In this future, we might find ourselves measuring time not just in hours and minutes, but in quantum states and light years. The boundaries of our lifespan could extend significantly with advances in medical technology, making a century-old person as common as our current octogenarians. Yet, this is only the beginning of our journey, the first few steps into the vast expanse of the future. Now let's venture farther into the future, to a time beyond human comprehension. Imagine, if you will, a period billions of years from now. The universe as we know it has transformed dramatically. The once vibrant, star-filled cosmos has morphed into a much darker, quieter place. This is an era of the universe's relentless expansion. The galaxies we once knew have drifted apart, so far that they're no longer visible to one another. A lonely, expansive cosmic ocean stretches out, seemingly without end. The stars, those brilliant beacons of light and life, have not fared well in this distant future. The last of the red dwarfs, the longest-lived stars in the universe, have finally exhausted their nuclear fuel. Their deaths mark the end of starlight. The universe plunges into a profound darkness, illuminated only by the occasional flare of a dying white dwarf or the ghostly glow of a neutron star. Yet, in this vast, darkened cosmos, life may yet find a way. Just as life on Earth has adapted to extreme conditions, from the deep sea's crushing depths to the scorching heat of volcanic vents, so too might future life forms adapt to the universe's evolving condition. Whether through biological evolution or technological innovation, life could persist, finding new ways to harness energy and survive. These beings, whatever they may be, would inhabit a universe far different from our own. They would look up at a starless sky, devoid of the constellations and galaxies we hold dear. Their understanding of the universe would be shaped by this darkness, their knowledge of the cosmos fundamentally different from ours. As we move farther into the future, time seems to lose its meaning, but our journey is far from over. This exploration into the far future reveals humbling truths about the universe and our place within it. It reminds us not only of the universe's unimaginable scale, but also of the ever-changing nature of existence itself. Time as we know it continues to unfurl, carrying us along on its ceaseless journey. Imagine a time so far in the future that it defies all understanding, the end of time itself. It's a concept that's as fascinating as it is terrifying. Theories abound about how the universe might meet its ultimate fate. One of the most recognized theories is the heat death scenario. In this vision of the end, the universe continues to expand, and energy becomes evenly distributed across all of space. Stars burn out, galaxies fade away, and all matter decays, leaving behind a uniform, cold, dark void. Time, as we understand it, ceases to exist in this perpetual state of nothingness. On the other hand, there's the Big Crunch theory. It's the exact opposite of the heat death. The universe, instead of expanding indefinitely, eventually stops and begins to contract. Galaxies, stars, even atoms are compressed back into a single, infinite point of density, a mirror image of the Big Bang that started it all. Time might loop back on itself, starting a new cycle of the universe. Then there's the Big Rip, where dark energy, the mysterious force driving the universe apart, becomes so strong that it tears apart everything, from galaxies and stars down to atoms themselves. It's a cataclysmic end where time might be ripped apart along with everything else. These theories, while stark, bring along profound philosophical implications. If time as we know it ends, was it ever real to begin with? Or is it just an illusion, a construct of our minds trying to make sense of the universe? And if the universe ends, does it give our existence a sense of urgency? Or does it make our lives seem insignificant in the grand scheme of things? These questions challenge our understanding of not just time, but also our place in the universe, our purpose, and the very nature of existence itself. As we reach the end of our journey, we are left with more questions than answers, but perhaps that is the true beauty of time. Our journey to the end of time has taken us to places beyond our wildest imaginations. We've embarked on a voyage through the cosmos, peering into the cradle of the near future and the far reaches of the distant future. We've seen time as we know it come to an end, and yet, in our journey we've discovered that time is not simply a linear progression, but a vast, endless expanse that stretches out in all directions. The near future, as we've seen, holds both promise and peril. Technological advancements are accelerating at an unprecedented pace, reshaping our world in ways we can barely comprehend. Yet with these advancements come challenges, and it's up to us to navigate them responsibly, to ensure our own survival and the survival of our planet. As for the far future, it's a realm of the unknown, a place where the laws of physics as we understand them may no longer apply. Here, time takes on a whole new dimension, and our place in the universe becomes a mere speck in the grand scheme of things. And then, there's the end of time, a concept so vast, so incomprehensible, It challenges everything we thought we knew about our existence. It's a reminder that everything is transient, that even the universe itself has a life cycle. Yet, it's also a testament to the enduring nature of time and our ceaseless quest to understand it. In the face of such grandeur, we're compelled to reflect on our own existence. Our journey has shown us that we're not merely observers of time but active participants in its unfolding. It's a humbling realization but also an empowering one. It reminds us that we have the capacity to shape our own future, to write our own story in the annals of time. As we return to our own time, we carry with us a new understanding of the universe and of time itself. The journey to the end of time is, in truth, a journey into the depths of our own minds.